हेलो गाइस, अगर आपके जो वर्ल्ड ऑफिस है या जो एमएस ऑफिस है और आपके साथ ये इस तरह एक प्रोडक्ट चेंज प्रोडक्ट की बात कर रहा है या फॉर एग्जांपल वो कह रहा है कि प्रोडक्ट नॉट एक्टिवेटेड, तो इसके लिए क्या सोल्यूशन है। तो सिंपल सा सोल्यूशन मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। आप यू हैव टू डू दैट वन इफ यू हैव इशू लाइक दिस। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज off this and go to this, and from this one you go to this. Okay, open this, and from here program files, and from program files you can uh, program files. Okay, 1 minute, I want to remove this. No, sorry. And from program file you have Microsoft. From this you have to put in root, and from this root you put Office 16, and from this Office 16 you have to just put as S O S O. This is S, that you have to put this S is just a minute please. Skyborn. Yes. So not S, you have to put O S double P. This one, and you have to this one, this, sorry, this one, and then run it as run this as administrator, and 4 times you have to put this 4 times run administrator, and run as administrator 4 times. Run this as administrator 4 times. Just run again 4 times, and then open your window. It will works. Thank you. You can open your window down, then it will works. And if it doesn't work, tell me. I will, but it will work definitely because I did so. It worked, and you can do it. Thank you.